Next, soil treatment. Before that, we are discussed about the indigestion and antibiotic neutralization in everyday life. So third one is the soil treatment. Third one is the soil treatment. Soil treatment. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers makes the soil acidic. Once you observe in the agriculture field, excessive chemical fertilizers, when they are when they are using the excessive fertilizers, what will happen? The soil makes the acidic. Plants do not grow well when the soil is either too acidic or too basic. When the soil is too acidic, it is treated with the bases like quicklime. Quicklime formula calcium oxide CaO or slackline. Slackline, already you know the formula, calcium hydroxide CaOH taken twice. Okay. If the soil is basic, organic matter is added to it. Organic matter releases the acids which neutralizes the basic nature of the soil. So soil treatment. If we use the more chemical fertilizers, means soil will be makes the acidic. Plants do not grow well which the soil is either too acidic or too basic. When the soil is too acidic, it is treated with the bases like quicklime and slackline. Quicklime and slackline, these are the bases. When soil is too acidic, we can use the basic for the neutralizations. Okay. For suppose if it is too basic, means soil is basic nature is there, means we can use the organic matter, compost. Compost is added to it. Organic matter releases the acids which neutralizes the basic nature of the soil. Okay. Now, excessive use of chemicals, excessive use of chemical fertilizers, excessive use of chemical fertilizers makes the soil acidic. Makes the soil acidic. Plants do not grow. Plants do not grow well when the soil is either too acidic or too basic. Either too acidic or too basic. When the soil is too acidic, what will happen? When the soil is too acidic, it is treated with bases like, it is too acidic, bases like quicklime, calcium oxide, or slackline. Slackline, that is a calcium oxide, calcium hydroxide. Okay. Here, when the soil is too acidic, it is treated with bases like quicklime or slackline. Slackline means calcium hydroxide. Formula is CaOH taken twice. Calcium oxide means CaO. This is a formula. Okay. Calcium hydroxide or slackline. If the soil is basic, this is if soil is acidic, means we can use the quicklime and slackline. If it is basic, means if the soil is basic, organic matter is added. Organic matter means compost. Organic organic matter, compost. Organic matter is added to it. Organic matter is added to it. Organic matter, what will happen? Organic matter releases acids which neutralize the basic nature of the soil, which neutralize the basic nature of the soil. Okay, which it is neutralize the basic nature of the soil. Next, factory wastes. Last one, factory wastes. Okay, we can use in neutralization reaction in soil treatment and antibiotic and indigestion and factory waste. The waste of many factories contain acids. Once you observe in the factory waste, many of factories contains the acid. If they are allowed to flow into the water bodies, the acids will kill the fish and other organisms in the water. The aquatic animals will be killed by the factory waste. The factory wastes are therefore neutralized by adding basic substance. Before that factory waste enter into the water lakes, we can neutralize by the adding of basic substance. The wastes of many factories contain acids. The waste of many factories contain acids. If they are allowed to flow into the water bodies, the acids will kill fish and other organisms. The factory wastes are therefore neutralized by adding basic substance. Okay, so the wastes of many factories contain acids. If they are allowed to flow into the water bodies, the acids will kill the fish and other aquatic animals. The factory wastes are therefore neutralized by adding basic substance. If it is neutralized, means it will be not harmful to the aquatic animals. That's why they will neutralize before they enter into the water bodies. Okay, thank you.